Most people think their SpotMe limit is fixed forever. But here's the truth no one tells you. Your limit can increase, but only if the system trusts your account behavior over time. In this video, you will learn exactly how to increase your Chime SpotMe limit in 2026, using simple steps that actually work. Let's get straight into it. First, understand how SpotMe really works. SpotMe is not a traditional loan. It is a trust-based overdraft feature. That means Chime looks at your account activity, deposits, and spending habits before increasing your limit. Now here's where it gets interesting. The system is constantly watching patterns. If your income is stable and your account activity is consistent, your limit can slowly grow over time. For example, if Alex gets regular direct deposits every 2 weeks and uses his account responsibly, the system starts viewing him as low risk. But here's the problem most people face. They expect a limit increase without showing consistent financial behavior. No deposits, irregular activity, or missed usage signals can slow down growth. So let's break it down step by step. Step 1 is direct deposit consistency. This is the biggest factor. You need regular income flowing into your Chime account. It does not have to be huge, but it must be consistent. Weekly or bi-weekly is ideal. Step 2 is account activity. Use your Chime account regularly for purchases, bills, and everyday spending. If your account is inactive, the system has less data to evaluate you. Now here's a small but powerful tip. Even small deposits from payroll or side income help build trust faster than large random deposits. Step 3 is maintaining a positive balance pattern. Try not to stay negative too often. SpotMe is designed for occasional overdrafts, not constant usage. If John keeps going negative repeatedly, the system may not increase his limit. In a minute, I'll show you the hidden factor most users ignore. Step 4 is time. Yes, time matters. Even if you do everything right, limit increases usually happen gradually. There is no instant upgrade button. Now here is the hidden factor. App engagement also matters. Using features like savings, direct deposit setup, and card usage signals that you are an active user, not just a temporary account holder. So what actually increases your SpotMe limit? It comes down to 3 things. Consistent deposits, responsible usage, and long-term account activity. If all 3 are strong, the system gradually increases your limit automatically, without you needing to request it. So here's the simple takeaway. You cannot force a SpotMe increase. You build it through behavior. The more stable and predictable your account looks, the higher your limit can grow. If this helped you understand how SpotMe really works, like the video, comment your current limit, and subscribe for more simple finance tips in 2026.